this video I will continue with chapter 8, exercise 8.1, page 146. It's question number 4. So construct a rectangle ABCD when measurement AB is equal to 4 centimeter and measurement BC is equal to 6 centimeter. So we will take a start with the base line segment, that is 4 centimeter. So you have to draw 4 centimeter line AB, 4 centimeter measurement with your ruler. After this, taking A and B as center, open the compass with a suitable radius. You have to construct an angle of 90 degree that you have learned earlier in your previous classes also. So taking firstly this point as a center, you will draw this arc here also, taking point B, and then taking this point as a center here also, draw one arc here, another here, one arc here, another here. Then taking these 2 points, draw 2 intersecting arcs as it is shown here. This will give you 90 degree angle. Now join point A and extend the ray passing through this intersected point as till ray G. Then start from point B, extend passing it through the intersecting arcs until H. After this, you people have to take point B as a center because its measurement BC, that is 6 centimeter. Taking point B as a center and with a radius of 6 centimeter with your compass, draw an arc here. As you can see, it should be here 6 centimeter, and then take point A as a center and draw an arc which will again of 6 centimeter which will intersect it here at point D. And after getting the arc, you people have to draw the lines starting from point B, passing through passing through G as it is already extended. So joining it, after marking it, you join point C with point D, and in this way you write the measurements also. 4 centimeter, this should be equal to 4 centimeter, and here opposite side 6 centimeter each. Now I will read the steps of construction. Draw measurement AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Construct measurement angle A is equal to measurement angle B is equal to 90 degree, and draw AG and BH. Ray AG you can see here and ray BH that you can see here. Then draw an arc at point B and of radius 6 centimeter which intersects BH at point C, as you can see here. Next, draw an arc with a radius of 6 centimeter from point A which intersects ray AG at point D. Ray AG at point D. Join point A to D and B to C, as you can see here. Hence ABCD is the required rectangle. So after doing the construction, writing the steps of construction, this you have to do in your copies. This question as it is explained, you have to do question number 5 also in your copies. The method and the construction is the same as it is described here. So do question number 5 also in your copy with this question as well. Thank you.